So hi friend, this is Amit and you are at my channel Information and Educational Video. Here I will provide you the most important and basic information for all JEE aspirant, that is how the cutoff is decided. So after watching this video you will easily able to estimate what type of cutoff is going to happen this year. You will be confused whether I will clear the cutoff or not. So please try to listen my word. Everyone will not tell you this reality because they want to get more and more views and subscription by answering your question again and again. But once you watch this video you will have the clear idea how the cutoff is decided. So total student that is appearing in JEE Mains, it can be 9 lakh, 9.5 lakh. There is no fixed data as of now, but let's assume it will be around 9 lakh or 9.5 lakh. So out of those students, 2.5 lakh student, it can be 2.5 lakh, that is 2 lakh 55,000, 2 lakh 60,000, but on an approx it is 2.5 lakh student who will qualify for JEE Advanced examination. Among them there is lots of reservation, that is 27% for OBC category and 15% for SC category, 7.5% for ST and 5% horizontal reservation for PWD student. So after deducting everything, it is total reservation, that is 54.5%. So now 45.5% will be the seat that is reserved for general student. So for 45.5% of 2.5 lakh or 2.6 lakh, that is equivalent to 1 lakh 1,000, 1 lakh 2,000. Every year it changes. So if you consider 2.5 lakh only, then it is 1 lakh 1,250 students. Sidewise you can check the detail also. So this number of students from general category will be qualified for JEE Advanced examination. Similarly, I will talk for other category also. Please listen my word very carefully. This will help you a lot. So 1 lakh 1,000. So up to which percentile 1 lakh 1,000 general student will be there, that will be the cutoff percentile. Suppose 86 percentile. So above 86 percentile there is around 1.26 lakh student, but all of them are not from general. So you have to keep this point in mind, because a student thinks that 1.26 lakh student after 86 percentile. So how 86 percentile will be the cutoff? So all the students are not from the general category. There are SC category, OBC, EWS, PWD also. So you have to think about only general category. So up to which percentile there is, suppose 1 lakh 1,000 a student from general category have a scored 85 or more percentile, then 85 percentile will be the cutoff for general category for JEE Advanced. Hope you get my point very clearly. If you have any confusion regarding this, you can ask in the comment section, but I hope I have provided you the clear information. So next, similarly for OBC, again that is around 67,000 students. So up to that percentile, that is if you consider above that percentile, total OBC students should be 67,000. Suppose 65 percentile has been scored by 67,000 students, that is 67 or more than that, then 67 will be the cutoff for OBC category, or 65, 66, whatever it can be. But according to the trend, I have already provided you the cutoff. Sidewise you can check the minimum percentile that you need to have this year to qualify for JEE Advanced examination. I think for general category it may go a bit lower this year as well, because from other categories a little bit of students are increasing. From general, a little bit low number of students has been seen in previous 3-4 years. So similarly for EWS category, 25,000 students should be there, that is 10% of 2.5 lakh. So 25,000. So up to which percentile the barrier is that is suppose 60 percentile or 62 percentile, above that only 25,000 student is there. So they actually, it is cutoff means just to cut those uneligible student and select the eligible student. So that is the cutoff. So once they will select a cutoff that is 63 percentile, that means a student, that is total number of students is 25,000 have scored 63 percentile or more than that. If suppose from EWS category only 40 percentile has been scored by 25,000 students and others are scoring even lower than 40 percentile, then cutoff will be 40 percentile. It is not fixed that every year it will be fixed. It will be depending on the total number of students and how they perform in the examination. Similarly for SC, 37.5 thousand student should be there, that is above the barrier. So it is around 41, 42, this type of percentile. Some year back it was 44 percentile. So every year they are increasing the number of students. It is 2.5 lakh I'm considering. It can be 2.6 lakh, 2.7 lakh also, depending on the depending on the vacancy in the JEE Advanced examination. So hope you get my point. Similarly for ST category also 18.75 thousand students. So for ST category only 25 to 26 percentile will be the cutoff. So hope this video have provided you the complete information, that is the cutoff, how it is decided. So please don't think that for general category it will be 91 or 92 percentile. That is totally fake information people are providing you just to demotivate you so that you will watch the video again and again. I don't want to provide it, that's why I provide you the clarity, and based on this analysis I provide the data. That's why it is almost correct from last 3-4 years. Once you get the result you will able to understand it. Thank you.